electrical engineering department, we have mobile and satellite communication department, we have civil engineering department, we have petroleum engineering department, we have architecture, and we applied to take accreditation for mining engineering. Many faculty universities are teaching it as communication, but we are unique here because there is minimum 25% of the courses or modules related to satellite and mobile, which you cannot find it anywhere. Petroleum, we are the only, from my knowledge, the only petroleum engineering department. Saying that it must contain a lot of practical, let the students go to polytechnic and diplomas. We are not stopping them because by default, polytechnics and diplomas, the practical part is more than theoretical part because it will graduate not full engineers, they graduate highly qualified technicians. If you selected to come as engineer, you must have enough theory. Engineering must have practice. I was a student in engineering. I graduated in 1965, means that it is, I don't know how many years, 100 years, 200 years, there was practical. But the syllabus is not biased toward, because the goal is to graduate engineer who can design, who can solve the problems, who can develop. You must know some practical, but we cannot say we convert the degree to practical. In this case, I advise go to polytechnic, to diploma or high national diploma. From my point of view, we have here very high, good and high standard laboratories are more than enough for students to be an engineer. And we are increasing it now. Engineer must know mainly how to design, how to solve a problem, how to, he must know a lot of information. He must know what? Lot of information. IUEA in engineering have a high quality programs based on latest philosophy, which is the outcomes. Because when engineer, he knows how to solve a problem, this is outcome as a result of the program. Our programs, all of them, are based on the paradigm which is the latest in the world, that we are looking for outcomes. Our engineer must fulfill outcomes. To do that with this development in science, our programs must follow what is latest in the field. For example, in electrical engineering, if you take an example, we must give them embedded system. We must give them how to design using microcontroller and so on. This is from 15 years ago. There was nothing like that, but we included our programs. Next year or something, I hope in communication we include something. Maybe it is not in Africa at all till now as part from course. And what I'm saying now, it is a book for me, will be published in the United States within 2 months about when we are speaking and my computer, for example, this what we call it Bluetooth, the ZigBee and so on. This is the latest in communication during the last 15 years. Are you getting in? We must include that. When we revise our programs, we must put this component so that our graduate will be aware when he goes outside what is this Bluetooth and how it works, right? And how to design a network with it. If you want to know and the latest in the world in such fields, IUEA is offering you the latest in our programs. And we are continuously revising our programs to catch what is new in the world.